Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Friday, February 13th, 2026, bringing you today's market intelligence simplified. Markets sold off sharply as AI disruption fears spread beyond tech. The S&P 500 fell 0.6% and the Nasdaq dropped 2% after Algorithm Holdings revealed its AI platform can handle 300 to 400% more shipping volume without additional staff. Investors fled to safety, pushing defensive sectors like utilities up 1.5% and consumer staples up 1.3%. Treasury bonds rallied with yields hitting two-month lows as demand surged. Meanwhile, unemployment claims rose to 227,000 and home sales disappointed at 3.91 million, missing expectations. While the broader market struggled this week, several names bucked the trend with exceptional performances. Leading the charge was Fastly, surging 70% after reporting strong acceleration in both its delivery and security businesses, with revenue guidance well above expectations as AI agents drive increased demand for edge computing. In healthcare, Novocure jumped 19% following FDA approval of its Optune treatment for pancreatic cancer, opening a significant new revenue opportunity. Crocs also climbed 19% as one of the few retail winners, with strong holiday results and a popular new fur-lined clog. On the semiconductor front, Applied Materials rose 12% after crushing expectations with $7.01 billion in revenue and guiding next quarter 10% above estimates. Similarly, Arista Networks gained 15%, raising its full-year outlook with revenue growing 30% year-over-year, driven by surging AI data center networking demand. Looking at today's chart, short interest in the technology sector has surged to levels not seen since 2018, marking the most bearish positioning in nearly a decade. This extreme crowding on the short side creates a powerful setup for potential reversal. When pessimism reaches such extremes, markets often surprise to the upside. Strong after-hours earnings from Applied Materials and Arista Networks could be the catalyst that triggers a short squeeze, forcing bears to cover positions and driving prices higher. For investors, these technical extremes often signal opportunity rather than risk. Looking ahead, Friday brings the week's most critical release, the U.S. inflation report. Economists expect January prices rose 0.3%, with annual inflation at 2.5%. Shelter costs remain the key focus as markets anticipate the first rate cut by July. Also Friday, multiple central bank speakers take the stage, including the Fed's Moran and Logan. Markets will parse every word for rate cut signals. On the earnings front, Airbnb reports Friday, offering insights on consumer travel spending, while Coinbase faces pressure amid lower crypto markets. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.